Hi friends! This week we are going to talk about bugs and insects. So I'm going to show you some pictures. So on this side, these are all insects. And on this side, these are all bugs. Okay? So we have insects right here and bugs over here. So the difference between bugs and insects is that insects have two sets of wings. Let's count them. 1, 2. And bugs only have one set of wings. Then the insect has 3 parts of its body. So look, 1, 2, 3. Has a head, a tummy, and a lower body part. And the bug does not have that. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, do you guys know what's in this picture? Okay, let's see. Look, this right here is a caterpillar. Did you say caterpillar? Good job. A caterpillar. A caterpillar makes a chrysalis, which is right here in the middle. Chrysalis, it's a cocoon. Chrysalis. And then after some time, it turns into a, good job, a butterfly. So it's a caterpillar, a chrysalis, and then a butterfly. All right, let's see what's next. Whoa, look at all these things. Look, we have a firefly right here. A firefly. And a firefly, on the bottom part, you can see it lights up right here. So that lights up, and that lights up for a couple different reasons. So it's so that the firefly doesn't get too hot. So it could tell other animals, hey, watch out, danger. And then it's so that they can find a different firefly that they can go and be with. Okay, so that's the firefly. This is over here with the blue wings, this is a dragonfly. Dragonfly. So look, it has 1 set of wings and 2 sets of wings. So that's an insect. And then down here, what's this one down here with the big eyes? Good job, it's a fly. A fly. So firefly, dragonfly, and fly. Let's see what's next. Whoa. Look, this is a beehive. That's where all the bees live and work. A beehive. There's a lot of bees there. This is what is it? Good job. It's a bee. A bee. And then right here on the flower, this is nectar. Nectar is the juice that flowers make, and bees can turn it into honey. Nectar. So we have a beehive, a bee, and nectar. All right, let's see what we have here. What's this one over here on the leaf? A snail. Good job. It's a snail. A snail can move slowly, and when it's scared, it'll go hide in its shell. A snail. Then look over here. This one. It's a worm, and it comes out when it's really wet and it likes the dirt. A worm. And then what about these ones? We have 2 ants. Good job. 2 ants. 1, 2. 2 ants. All right, friends, those are all of our words for this week. So go ahead and keep practicing. See if you can find any. And then if you do, you can send me a picture. You can let me know. I want to see all the different bugs and insects you find, okay? All right, bye.